Welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Catalina, aka Style of Catalina on here, and it has been a minute. Oh my gosh, I just feel so happy. I'm 24 and I hit 1K and I got 2 A's on my final. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, let's get it. Okay. I just feel so accomplished. I'm so happy right now. Yeah, so I just recently turned 24. I just feel like a grown woman. Psych. Okay. I look young for my age, so thank God for that. And I hit 1K on here. I recently posted a video thanking everybody for just showing me love, subscribing, just abusing that button. I appreciate it. And yeah, I have many more to come until I hit 10K, till I hit 100K, till I hit 1 million. All right, I know with God's grace that he will be doing that for me. Okay, and as much as I haven't been consistent on here, I just love each and every person that has been sticking by me since day one. Why don't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. See, that was a little vocal, you know. I got a little bit something y'all just don't know yet. Okay. But yeah, and I also passed my finals, 2 straight A's. A. Okay, so thank you God, I passed my finals. On to the next spring semester. But yeah, I just did this simple look, nothing too crazy. It's like kind of like full glam simple, you know. These earrings are from the beauty supply store. Jewelry is just a mixture of things. Forever 21, beauty supply store, thrift store. This sweater, turtleneck sweater, is from the thrift store. Crazy thing is, I'm about to hook y'all up. Like, sis, if you're from Philly, go down Castor, okay? Northeast area, go down Castor. They have this semi-new thrift store that opened over, I think they opened in August, and they have like deals and sales that's going on in the thrift store or whatever, mad cheap. I recently went there on a Saturday afternoon. They have like this board where it tells you like what's going on, what type of deals they have with the tags and stuff. If you pick out sweaters with all blue tags or clothing with all blue tags, and if you can fit it in one grocery bag, you can get everything for $5. I got about 5 to 6 sweaters for $5. Not each, just for one bag with 5 sweaters. Only $5. Skirt. You better head over to your local, that local thrift store, okay? Please make sure you don't grab everything, okay? Because I will be watching you. This is from the thrift store. I think this was originally $3, but like I said, I got like 5 sweaters, so I saved a lot of money. Okay, a lot of money. Anyway, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Did you click the button yet? Oh, I thought so. Also, make sure you click the notification bell so you can notified on when I upload, so I can just pop up on your screen, okay? Because you know you want to see more videos, so why not? And also, if you like this video, make sure you click the like button. And I almost got caught up right there. But yeah, let's just get started with the video. Let's get it. How do y'all do that dance? Let me get it. I'm feeling horribly. I'm gonna keep trying, and then y'all. So as you guys can see, I already did my brows with the usual, the Nickak eyebrow pencil in dark brown. This is what I use all the time, so nothing new. And I filled them in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I mixed the creamy beige and I also mixed the fawn together. And then I did clean a little bit on the top, just right around here. I did not clean on this area. So now I'm just going to start off with my base, and I'm just going to take this sample that I got from, where was it? I think it was Macy's. I don't remember, but this is the Lancôme, however it's pronounced, the base, and I love this so much. I wish I can get the full size, but I think this is for people with oily skin. As you guys recently know, I just celebrated my birthday. I'm officially 24, and I know I don't look like it, thank God, but yeah, I'm 24 now. And I didn't really do much. I went out for dinner, and then I also had a get together at my house, and we had so much fun. We were playing 90s music, a little bit of compa. For those who are not Haitian, it's basically like Haitian music. And we were playing like the old school games, Twister, Uno. We were playing Jenga. It was just so much fun. We had a little bit of drinks, you know, pizza, sung happy birthday. Birthday, dear Karen. Okay. Happy birthday to you. It was really nice. I enjoyed myself. Again, I know I said thank you a lot, but thank you so much for everybody that said happy birthday to me. I love you, all of y'all. I love you guys so much. So moving on to foundation, I'm going to take this coverfx foundation in the shade G80, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my face. Oh, I played myself. Hold up, I forgot I'm supposed to use the powder for my pores, because your girl pores are really big. Well, not really big, but I just like to set this area so it can kind of like blur the pores out. And just put some up here. Okay, so now we're going to put this foundation. And I really like this foundation because it's really matte, and I love matte foundations because I am an oily girl. So and then I'm going to take my dirty Real Technique sponge. Please do not use a dirty did I say sponge? Brush. Please don't use a dirty brush, okay? Don't be like me, okay? Learn from my mistakes. This is the purpose of my videos, okay? I'm just blending this out with this foundation brush. Well, buffing brush. I can't speak today. Why y'all be doing this to me though? I don't understand. I'm joking. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro concealers for under my eyes, I'm just going to put it on this little palette here, and I'm just going to mix them together. And then I'm going to take this Thrive Cosmetics beauty sponge, and I'm just going to blend this out. To set under my eyes, I'm taking this Midnight Banana powder and I'm placing that under my eyes. So I'm not going to keep this under here for too long. I just want to brush this right off. So to chisel my cheeks, contour, I'm going to be using the usual Black Radiance contour palette from medium to dark. I've always been using this. Y'all sure already know. This is the only thing that I have. We looking cute. We looking cute. We looking cute. Looking cute. Looking cute. Side note. Okay. That was like a moment for myself. Those are like my weird moments, you know, just get used to it. But anyway, back to regular programming. I'm going to put mascara on my lashes, and this is from the dollar store, Dollar Tree, I believe. This is LA Girl Colors Lash in a Flash. Lash in a Flash. Very black mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my lashes. My very, very, very short lashes. I hate when I put mascara on my lid, bruh. I don't know if you could tell, but it did a little bit of something to my lashes. I know it did. Just don't be a hater. Okay. So for lashes, I'm using the ienvybykiss So Wispy 08 lashes, and using that with the Duo Lash Glue. The green kind is the best kind. Okay. You're a real G. Like, you're the GOAT if you know how to apply with your fingers. Okay? That's how you know you have experience, when you can apply with your fingers. Okay? Straight like that. Straight like that. If you don't know how to apply lashes with your fingers, you're not official. You just not. So, what am I doing next? Can somebody please go out and buy me some setting spray? Like, I've been without setting spray for months. I don't even remember the last time I had setting spray. This is crazy, right? Like, what is a tutorial without setting spray? I just wish I had some MAC setting spray, or like, I don't even care, to be honest. Maybelline, L'Oreal, drugstore, high-end, I don't care. Just give me some setting spray, somebody. What am I doing next? Oh, I was thinking about putting like white eyeliner. Do I really want to do that? I don't know. Let me see. Look at the water on me. Ah! Please don't water. Okay? My eyes are just, they are not cooperating today. So now I'm just going to highlight my face. Also, could you add to that a new highlighter, because I've been using the same highlighter for 2 years. Okay, I just need to upgrade. You know, I'm 24 now, and I need to do something new with my life, you know, just transition or whatever. So if you can give me a new highlighter, that would be great. Okay, but the highlighter I'm using today is the Wet n Wild highlighter, per usual. Yes. Okay. Not too much. On the corners of my eyes. I haven't done that in a long time either. So for lips, I don't know if I want to do something brown, or do I want to do something brownish pink, or just pink. But I think I'm gonna just do brown. And let me see, the brown that I'm gonna use today is from Rubykisses. This is in the shade Oh Boy. Hopefully this works. So I did add a hint of Dune from Rubykisses. I just put a little bit of that in the middle, and I took my finger and just dabbed all over it. But that's basically it for this look. I don't have any setting spray, so if somebody want to bless me with some setting spray, that would be amazing. But we're just gonna act like we put some setting spray on my face. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and I hope that you guys recreate this look as well. And if you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram, or if you have YouTube, just, you know, mention me, give me my props. This is basically a basic look, I guess, so anybody could have done it as well, but it is what it is. I feel like I always do something simple, and I want to do something new. If you guys have any suggestions, just leave it down below in the comments. And yeah, your girl is done. Her face is beat or whatever, and I'm going to take some pictures for Instagram. And yes, why am I talking like this? I don't know, but we just gonna act like I'm not talking like this. So that is everything. Make sure you click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you can get notified on when I upload again. Now, since I have 1,000 subscribers, I can post and do polls and stuff like that, so I'm super excited. You girl hit one okay. Hey, is that how y'all do the dance? Like, I don't know, I'm kind of old to this. But and also make sure you guys check out the other videos that I uploaded as well. I will leave that like towards the end of the video. But until next time, if God willing, I will see you in the next video. And make sure you guys love others, because God loved you first. Bye.